I'm using Cline in VSCode, and I have been building this resume website for myself. When I'm building the actual site, it's components, it's coding, so I want to leverage powerful models like Claude Sonnet 4, unless I'm feeling economical and switching to something cheaper. However, a good resume isn't all about the sleek design and the cool components, it's actually a lot about the content. So when I write content, I like using other models like GPT-4o to help me write, or other GPT models. When I'm using Cline, I have a few options on how to access these models from all the different providers. I could sign up to all the different providers and create a bunch of different accounts, or I could use a multi-provider router, which is what I do, because I like having a single account and being able to track all of my model traffic and spending in a single place. So I use the Tetrate Agent Router Service. Let me quickly show you how to get that all set up with Cline. So you go to router.tetrate.ai, where you can log in with Google or GitHub. It's super easy. Then you go ahead and generate your own API key. Then, because it is OpenAI compatible, you choose OpenAI compatible provider in your Cline extension in VS Code, and you pop in your Tetrate Agent Router Service API key and put in the base URL. On the site, you can browse the full catalog of models, and there's loads of them, and I suggest keeping a note of your favorites. In the dashboard, you'll later be able to see all your usage across all of the models as well. And now you're ready to go. Cline, together with the Tetrate Agent Router Service, means that you can access models from lots of different providers with one account and only have one bill. And for me, it means I can track all my traffic across all of my use cases. Just one account, one bill, and all the models.